Let's talk about a major shift in business automation. The dream of a business that works for you is now reality, thanks to AI tools like ChatGPT. Automation isn't just about saving time, it's about transforming how your business operates for greater efficiency and profit. Every minute spent on repetitive admin is a minute lost from strategy and growth. AI-powered automation acts as your tireless digital assistant, handling routine tasks so you can focus on leading. Automated systems bring consistency and reliability, building trust with customers and stakeholders. This is a strategic advantage. Businesses that automate leap ahead, scaling without ballooning costs. They serve more customers, create more content, and analyze more data than their manual competitors. This guide is your 10-minute roadmap to using ChatGPT for business automation. Let's dive in. Imagine two businesses operating in the same market, facing similar challenges. One is deeply entrenched in manual processes, struggling with outdated systems, while the other has embraced automation, streamlining its operations for maximum efficiency. Business A's owner is constantly buried in an avalanche of emails, endless social media posts, and error-prone reports that take hours to compile. They're incredibly busy, putting in long hours, but ultimately, not very productive. The business is treading water, struggling to stay afloat amidst the competition. Now let's look at Business B. This company uses ChatGPT to intelligently sort and prioritize emails, ensuring that critical messages are addressed promptly. They also leverage AI to generate engaging content for their marketing campaigns, freeing up their team to focus on more strategic initiatives, and perhaps most importantly, they create detailed, insightful reports automatically, providing real-time data to inform their decision-making. The result of all this automation? The owner is no longer bogged down in day-to-day tasks, and can finally focus on long-term strategy, building stronger client relationships, and fostering a culture of innovation within the company. Studies have consistently shown that AI automation can significantly cut operational costs, in some cases by up to 40%, leading to substantial savings. Furthermore, businesses that embrace automation can save over 20 hours a week, reclaiming valuable time that can be reinvested in other areas. That's time that can be dedicated to business growth, continuous learning and professional development, or simply taking a well-deserved rest to avoid burnout. Manual workflows operate on a linear scale, meaning there's no real leverage. Output is directly proportional to the number of hours worked. However, automation fundamentally changes this equation by creating leverage. It requires an initial setup, but once implemented, it can save hundreds of hours in the long run, multiplying your efficiency. This levels the playing field, allowing small businesses to compete effectively with larger enterprises, delivering a seamless and personalized customer experience without the need for a huge, unwieldy team. Therefore, the choice is clear. You can choose to stay stuck in the daily grind, constantly battling inefficiencies, or you can embrace automation and get into the flow of streamlined, optimized processes. So, which path will you choose for your business? Let's delve deeper and see specifically how automation can revolutionize your customer service operations. Customer service is the very front line of your business, the initial point of contact for many of your customers. It's where first impressions are formed and lasting relationships begin. In today's fast-paced world, providing exceptional customer service is more critical than ever, and it's also an area ripe for strategic automation. A significant portion of customer emails tend to be repetitive, addressing common issues or frequently asked questions. These routine inquiries can quickly overwhelm your support team, diverting their attention from more complex and critical tasks. This is where ChatGPT steps in. It's designed to intelligently scan incoming emails, swiftly identify the nature of the inquiry, and instantly provide accurate and helpful replies to those common questions. This automated process ensures that your customers receive immediate assistance. Extend this capability to your website with a ChatGPT-powered chatbot. This virtual assistant offers round-the-clock support, providing instant answers to customer queries regardless of the time of day or night. This not only dramatically improves the customer experience by offering immediate solutions, but also frees up a significant amount of your team's time, allowing them to concentrate on more strategic initiatives and complex problem solving. And for those complex issues that require human intervention, the bot intelligently gathers all the necessary information from the customer and automatically creates detailed and well-structured support tickets, ensuring your team has everything they need to resolve the issue efficiently. By automating approximately 80% of these routine customer inquiries, you can significantly streamline your support operations. This automation translates into reclaiming valuable hours each week, boosting overall customer satisfaction scores and improving the productivity of your support team. Providing fast and consistent responses to customer inquiries not only sets you apart from the competition, but also fosters a sense of trust and builds long-term customer loyalty. The setup process is remarkably simple. All you need to do is document your frequently asked questions, train ChatGPT on your specific business needs, and seamlessly connect it to your existing email inbox or website. It's important to emphasize that the primary goal of this automation isn't to completely replace your human customer service representatives. Instead, the aim is to empower your team by allowing AI to handle the more routine and repetitive tasks, freeing them up to focus on building genuine relationships with customers and addressing complex issues that require a human touch. The result is a win-win scenario: happier and more satisfied customers, a more efficient and productive support team, and ultimately, a more successful business. Now that we've explored the power of ChatGPT in revolutionizing customer service, let's shift our focus and delve into how it can also significantly enhance and power your marketing efforts. Consider it as though your marketing team just received a 24/7 upgrade, capable of working tirelessly around the clock to amplify your brand's message and engage with your target audience. Content creation is relentless, but ChatGPT turns it into your personal engine. For social media, prompt ChatGPT for captions, hashtags, and calls to action in seconds. For blogs, it can outline, research, and draft, cutting creation time from hours to minutes. Website copy, ChatGPT generates headlines and product descriptions tailored to your brand. A small business owner can save up to 75% of their content creation time. The AI handles the heavy lifting, so you focus on refining the message and adding your unique voice. You become the content director, not just the creator. More content, less stress, and a stronger online presence. Let's see how automation powers your entire marketing funnel from leads to loyalty. Ready to build a marketing machine? Here's how. A strong marketing funnel turns leads into loyal customers. And ChatGPT fuels every stage. Instantly generate ad headlines, landing page copy, and persuasive calls to action. Capture leads, then automate email sequences, welcome emails, promotions, and newsletters. ChatGPT can write nurture sequences that guide prospects toward your premium offers. Load these into your email platform and let automation do the rest. The result? More campaigns, more engagement, and more conversions with less effort. You're building a marketing machine that works around the clock. Focus on delivering value while your automated funnel grows your business. Now let's overhaul your operations for even more efficiency. Here's how ChatGPT streamlines your internal processes. Operations are your business's backbone, and ripe for automation. ChatGPT can draft proposals, meeting agendas, training materials, and SOPs in seconds. Automate report generation, paste in data, and ChatGPT summarizes key insights instantly. Analyze sales or feedback data for trends and actionable takeaways. This turns raw numbers into business intelligence, guiding smarter decisions. Automated SOPs and reports mean consistency, less admin, and fewer errors. Your business becomes more organized, scalable, and data-driven. Efficiency here frees you to focus on growth. Next, let's connect ChatGPT to your favorite tools for seamless workflows. The real magic happens when ChatGPT connects with your daily tools. Use platforms like Zapier to automate workflows, no coding needed. Example: new survey entry triggers ChatGPT to summarize and post results to Slack. Integrate with your CRM to draft personalized outreach emails for new leads. For advanced users, the OpenAI API lets you build custom automations into your own software. The goal? Create an ecosystem where your tools work together, eliminating manual data transfer. This orchestration saves time, reduces errors, and powers your business behind the scenes. Businesses that integrate AI deeply gain a true competitive edge. Now let's talk ROI. What's the payoff? What's the ROI of ChatGPT automation? It's huge and fast. For $50 $100/month, you can save 20+ hours weekly, worth thousands in time. That's a 3,900% return, not counting increased output or fewer errors. Setup is quick. Automate your first task in under an hour. Start small, see results, and scale up as you grow. Beyond money, automation reduces stress and frees you for creative, strategic work. the clarity and organization it brings can transform your business life. The decision to automate is one of the most impactful you'll make. Ready to start? Here's your step-by-step guide. Ready to automate and transform the way you work? It might seem daunting, but trust me, it's more accessible than you think. We're going to break down the process into manageable steps, so you can start seeing the benefits of automation almost immediately. Here's your simple 10-minute action plan to kickstart your automation journey. This isn't about overnight revolutions. It's about consistent, incremental improvements that add up to significant gains. Step 1. List your most repetitive, time-consuming tasks. Think about those activities that you find yourself doing day in and day out, the ones that eat into your valuable time and energy. These are prime candidates for automation. Don't underestimate the power of automating even seemingly small tasks. From that list, pick the one you dread most. The task that, when it pops up on your to-do list, makes you sigh. Automating this task will not only free up your time but also boost your morale. Step 2. Write a clear ChatGPT prompt for that task. The key here is clarity. The more specific you are with your instructions, the better the results you'll get. Think of it as teaching an assistant exactly what you need them to do. For example, act as my customer service assistant. Reply to this common question in a friendly, helpful tone. Be sure to specify the tone, the context, and any specific instructions that will help ChatGPT understand your needs. Step 3. Run the prompt, review the output, and make quick edits. Don't expect perfection right away. The first response might need some tweaking, but that's okay. This is where your expertise comes in. Refine the output until it meets your standards. Step 4. Save your prompt as a template for future use. This is where the real magic happens. By saving your prompt, you're creating a reusable tool that you can deploy again and again, saving you time and effort each time. You've just automated your first task. Take a moment to celebrate this small victory. You've taken the first step towards a more efficient and productive workflow. Start small. One win builds momentum. Don't try to automate everything at once. Focus on those quick wins that will give you the confidence and motivation to tackle more complex tasks. As you get comfortable, automate more tasks. Explore different ways to use ChatGPT and other automation tools to streamline your workflow. The possibilities are endless, and explore advanced workflows. Dive deeper into the world of automation and discover how you can create complex, interconnected systems that handle entire processes with minimal human intervention. Resources like the OpenAI blog and YouTube can help you level up. There's a wealth of information available online to help you master the art of automation. Take advantage of these resources to expand your knowledge and skills. Every small step frees up more time and energy for what matters. Automation isn't just about efficiency, it's about creating a better work-life balance and focusing on the things that truly matter to you. Automation isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Don't get discouraged if things don't work perfectly right away. The key is to keep learning, experimenting, and refining your approach. Congratulations on taking the first step toward a smarter, more efficient business. You're well on your way to unlocking the power of automation and transforming the way you work. The future of work is here. Make it work for you. Embrace the power of automation and create a future where you're working smarter, not harder.